and we're dancing.
Here at KAVU, we believe in fun. We believe everyone should be having fun. Your aunt should be having fun, your sister's boyfriend, your best friend from high school. You should be having fun. Your dog should be having fun. Your pet guinea pig should be having fun. Heck, your shirt should be having fun. And, of course, your hat should be having fun. What is more fun than fun prints in a comfortable hat? The Port Falls is just that. Fun prints, comfortable hat made from a 7.5 ounce 100% recycled polyester printed polar fleece. This hat has a logo label, a floppy brim, self-fabric liner with some interior taping detail. Oh, and did we mention it's having fun? It's printed. It's a fun party. That's the Port Falls.